All right, guys, so I have been trying to make sure I get 10,000 steps a day. So in order to do that, I've been taking walks on my lunch break. However, you're going to be sweating because it's hot outside. So I have put together a little kit for my walks and how to refresh myself when I get done with the walks. SPF. It's hot, the sun be out, and I don't want to burn. So this is the Vacation Classic Whipped. Looks like whipped cream, right? But it's an SPF, and it has an SPF of 30. Since I'm about to get ready for my walk, let's put a little bit on. It's literally like, it's like whipped cream, an SPF. Whoa, look at that. But it doesn't leave, I've already put some on my shoulders. It doesn't leave a white cast or leave me looking like purple and neon. So I'm here for it. See? And it leaves you with a glow. I do have an SPF for my face by Skin Proud. I really like this SPF for my face because it has an SPF of 50 and it really does protect my face. I've been using this now for over a year. I wear it to the beach, to the pool, and it does a really great job of protecting my skin on my face. Peach and Lily, they have these Lazy Day all-in-one moisture pads. They're gonna hydrate the skin. They also help to plump the skin. So I love to go in with this after I've done my walk. You know, I'm sweating and all the things. I want to kind of clean my face up, but also want to provide it some hydration. The hydration pads are nice and moist, so they help to cool me down as well as like cleanse the skin. And then I'll go in with the Peach and Lily Glass Veil Skin Mist. First of all, this feels so good on the skin. It leaves your face with a beautiful glow, and it's packed with really good skincare ingredients. So I'll mist my face with this to just refresh everything and continue on. We gotta freshen ourselves up. I love me a good natural deodorant. So this one is by the brand called Method Body, and it is the Peony, Rosewater, and Pink Sea Salt scent. So we're gonna freshen ourselves up. I have in here also hair products because, you know, if the walk gets a little crazy, I've got my brush, my comb, and I also put a little hair moisturizer in here so that if I need to freshen up my hair, we're good to go with that. We've got a fragrance because it's hot, so we want to freshen up the skin. This is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Cheirosa 68 one. I love this scent. Lastly, I have some wipes by the Honey Pot because we be sweating, okay? So we want to freshen things up. So this is my body freshener wipes. If I need a boost during the day and I want to make sure I'm getting some protein, I have this pink lemonade drink, which I got it from Amazon. I'll put the information about it down below, but you put this in your water and it's got a lot of protein in it. It actually tastes like pink lemonade, very low sugar content, and it will kind of give you the energy to keep going throughout the day, but you also get a good source of protein. So yeah, guys, that's my little kit that I put together. I got my sneakers on. We about to get ready for this walk, but I ain't gonna be funky afterwards.